Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to create season filters. We will use them to set up different prices depending of months or weekends, whatever filters you create, and the other use is to set up availability for your rooms. To create a new season filter, you have to go to the left menu and go to Booking Resources. Then in that screen, on the top, you see a tab with the name Season Filters. We have to click here. We can create two types of filters, dates filter and conditional dates filter. Let's get started by the dates filter. Now we will explain the use. That filter is intended, for example, if you want to set up a special price for Christmas, so for example from the 24th to the 31st of December, a special rate will be applied for the room. So we need to click on the dates that you want to set this filter. Click on these dates. Be sure that you are in the year that you want to apply. As you see on the top, there is 2015, 16, 17, and so on. So click on the dates that you might like to set up a special rate. And then you just need to enter a title to easily recognize that filter, because we are going to do a second step to attach this filter to a room, and click Save. Now we are going to create a conditional dates filter. This season filter is very handy if, for example, you want to set up a special price for weekends, particular months, or any other option that we will explain you right now. Let's go to create a filter, for example, for the summer weekends. Enter a title, and then in days of week we are going to check Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Days of month we have to check all, and then in months we are going to select June, July, and August. And if you want, you can select all years, so you can't forget about to change that filter in the future. And of course, don't forget to hit the button Create New Season Filter. We are done now with the first step. As you can see here, we have the two season filters we have recently created, and now we need to attach these filters to the rooms that you might like to change the prices. To do so, we need to click on the tab Costs and Rates that you will find on top of the page. In that screen, you are seeing your room list, and now we have to click on the button Rates of one parent resource, that there are the ones that are in bold letters. For this case, we are going to attach a season filter for the honeymoon suite. So in that screen on top, you see the season filters. First we need to check this checkbox. So we're going to apply this season filter. In that field we need to type the final amount for this particular room for these dates. Here we need to select the price that will be for one day and click on the button Update Rates. There we go. Now we are going to apply a season filter for another set of rooms. So for example, in that case, the shared room, single bed, you don't need to set up that season filter for every bed. What you can do is click on the parent resource, the one you are in bold, click on the button Rates, select the season filters you want to attach, put the final price per night, select USD for one day, and click Update Rates. So that filter will be applied to every room of this type. In that case, these and all of these rooms. This is one of the use that we can give to the season filters. Now we are going to explain another use that we can give them. So if, for example, your surf camp is closed during the winter time and it's only open in summertime, this is the perfect use for this. To do so, we have to click on the tab Availability. Now we're going to check on the button Availability on the parent resource. And what we are going to do now is make available only the dates that belongs to that season filter. So first we need to click on the red button, Unavailable. So now every day will be unavailable. Check on the season filter that we want to make the availability, hit Save Changes, and we are done.